Hello everyone, I am Vedant Shukla. I graduated this year from St. Xavier's College Autonomous Mumbai with a bachelor's degree in economics with honors. I feel extremely happy and grateful to share that I have joined the prestigious Delhi School of Economics, University of Delhi, this December as a candidate for a master's in economics. I was accepted to 5 reputed universities, including the Jawaharlal Nehru University at their Center for International Trade and Development for the MA Economics course with specialization in the world economy, at the Gokhale Institute of Politics and Economics, at the Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, Kolkata, at the School of Economics, University of Hyderabad, and at the Delhi School of Economics. I ultimately chose the DSE because of its tight-knit community and because of the course structure here, which is diverse and which blends in multiple domains of economics. It has been a long, strenuous, rigorous but rewarding journey, and I couldn't have done it without the support of my mentor, my guru, Ravit Thukral sir, who has bestowed valuable knowledge upon me. I'm just really grateful to him and I can't thank him enough for whatever he has done for us. In my third year of graduation, when I decided to join this course, I was quite skeptical about whether such an online platform would serve the purpose or not. But after I joined the classes, I gradually realized that Ravit sir's classes are the best option for any student who wants to prepare themselves for these exams. Whether you are a student from an economics background or not, it does not matter much because the course structure here is well planned and it really helps you strengthen your basic fundamentals first and then moving on to the more difficult problems. While courting the possibility of underwhelming someone about the experience at Ravit sir's classes, I'll still choose to describe it in one word, and a relatively simple one too, that is useful. Not just useful, classes were very useful. If you think about it, you wouldn't need to or want to look for other adjectives. The classes really kept me occupied with the process of preparation. It kept me involved, and that's extremely important when complacency hounds every step. Continuity in the process of preparation is the key, and I got the push here which I needed. Talking about the preparation material, it's crazy. Without a doubt, the practice material is the most comprehensive you'll find anywhere. The material comprises of assignments, concept videos, and weekly practice questions. The entire material is categorized according to the subjects, broadly which are microeconomics plus game theory, macroeconomics, mathematics, statistics, and econometrics. Since all of this is available online, it provides a lot of conveniences to just sit at home and solve and even visit them again if you want to. Moving on to the subject coverage. So as I said, there are broadly 5 subjects that are tested in these entrance examinations, and all of them are covered here. Though there is a great amount of flexibility, it's not at all compulsory for you to take all those courses. You can opt to choose one and not opt for others. Ravit sir is extremely supportive and encouraging. He was forthcoming for any kind of help that I needed and provided me with focused guidance at every step of my preparation. To put everything in the most lucid manner, Ravit sir's classes will equip you with everything that you need in gearing up not just for the economic entrances, but even for the journey once you have cleared them. In the end, I would just like to quote sir as he rightly says, "Nothing is difficult to learn. It was just badly explained to you. So change your resources and not your goals." Thank you so much.